Hi guys, it's Jaden and I'm back with another video about symptoms I've had with adrenal fatigue and anxiety disorder. Today I'm going to talk about eye-related symptoms, and those are one of the scariest symptoms for me because, they're related to other diseases that are really scary. But it was just the adrenal fatigue caused anxiety and panic attacks that caused my eye problems, which were extremely sensitive to light in the mornings. So there was a couple of times where I woke up to go jogging in the morning, and the sun was rising, and I looked into the sun a little bit, and then I started seeing this bright white flashing light spot in my eyes, like in my vision. Everywhere I looked, I would see this flashing white light thing. Even when I shut my eyes, like if I shut my eyes, you would still see it like flashing inside, in the darkness when you shut your eyes. It lasted about an hour or so after I stopped jogging and stopped being outside and kind of let my eyes rest in a darker area, a darker room. It didn't come back throughout the day. This happened throughout the course of 4 months, like twice. So those were kind of scary. And then I would also see traces of light, like sometimes when let's say if I'm driving at night and, it's dark and then you see the traffic lights and stuff, and then you look somewhere else, you'll still kind of see the traffic lights. Like you see these traces of light. I've always had eye floaters, like a few of them throughout my life, but ever since the anxiety, there's more floaters, and it could be because that I'm just noticing them more, because when you're in a panic state, your body sends out a signal to make you see better and take in more light. So that could be contributing to the fact that I'm noticing more floaters. But I definitely notice that there's more floaters in my eyes since the anxiety and the panic attacks. And also, when I sneeze or when I cough, I oftentimes see stars. And this, I would rarely get this before in my life. Like just maybe once every 5 years I would see stars when I sneeze. But ever since the anxiety and panic, it would happen like once a week, like where I would sneeze or cough and I would see stars. And none of this will last for that long, like generally like few minutes. The worst times were like for an hour, but then the once your eyes starts resting, it goes away. So that's definitely something I went through when I'm going through the worst of my adrenal fatigue caused anxiety and panic attacks. So I just wanted to make this video and share another symptom to help you get some insight. If you're going through the same thing, whether you're having adrenal fatigue, anxiety, or panic attacks, you might be having the same symptoms and you're freaking out. And so this video could help you know that, I've gone through it and, I'm fine. And if you have any questions or comments, please I can't even talk. Please put them down in the comment section, and please help me grow my channel. I'm really, really, really inspired making these videos, so it would really help me if you subscribe and give me a like on my video, because it really helps the YouTube to spread my videos faster. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.